Hello there, my name is Emin, EMCsoft, and in this video I will continue my Bitrix training course regarding robots. And today we will discuss other robots. Create QR code, track QR code, create CRM item. Delete CRM item, which we already discussed in previous videos. Get employee information, pause, and plan activity. The rest robots I will discuss in another video to make video short and simple.
Yes, that sounds amazing!
Okay, let's start with create QR code. How that work? For example, we will create stages, send QR code and came to the event. That means that, for example, you send to your customer information about new event upcoming. You want to generate QR code as a ticket. For example, if your customer got that QR code, he able to join to your conference. So you will generate email. In that email you will send QR code. Your client will print that email with that QR code and will use that QR code as a ticket to your conference. Also, you can scan that QR code via phone and deal will go through the came to event stage, which will mean that particular client participated in your conference. So how to do that? If you go to automation rule, so send QR code, go to other, create QR code, and so you will able to generate such code. So QR code name will be February 9. So we need to delete that, and client name, probably we can add company here name. Okay, client contact name from company name, register it, and we will leave button text confirm, save. Okay, now then we need to generate email to your client. So create and customer communication and send email to customer, and inside of email, so we need to select where from you want to send, and ticket. Okay, then so we can use time condition as well. So it means that, for example, you can use different condition for different conference. So you can send one ticket for one conference and now a ticket for another conference.
They're so comfortable.
Okay, then you can go here, automation rule, create QR code, and in that particular case you need to add QR code HTML page. Okay, and here you can say something like the client name, which is contact name. Please print that ticket QR code and use it as a ticket for our event. Okay, and thanks.
Thank you very much, sir. I don't think you'll regret it. Okay,
save. Okay, let's test that. So company, move here, company C, open it, and let's check what kind of email we got here. Open. Okay, dear Emin, please print that QR code below and use it as a ticket for your event. And then I will use another robot. Came to event, other. Okay, track, QR code used by customer. Okay, and so we got only one QR code. That means that if somebody will scan that code, a deal, for example, if not somebody, for example, I will scan that code and I will click confirm, then deal will move to that stage. Okay, let's test. I will open that and now I will do a test. Okay, client Emin from company EMCsoft registered, confirm. I click confirm. So success. And when I click confirm on my phone, what happened with the deal? Hey, he moved to came to event stage. Voila.
Good one. Yep, that's a good one.
So we go to automation rule. So we delete this, and this. So we go to another robots, other, get, create CRM item. Okay. And how we can use it. So for example, we want to create another deal on another funnel for some reason. For example, if you run through this stage, that means that you will sell to that client one product, for example, products, and for example, support running on another funnel. Okay, and I created new stage, create another deal, and we go into automation rule and go in here, create CRM item, create a deal, name with, so we need to delete this. We need to select, give a name to that deal as a deal name, current deal name, and for example with some mark like support. Okay, I can establish other fields like income and probability, responsible, and the rest. So we could ignore this for now, right?
Ignore. Wait, where's the ignore button? How do I ignore?
Edit, name, document need, the pipeline. So I need to select documents needed, new, and okay, good. Using call center 24, you may do a click by clicking on the number, select a number from which you want to call. You can add up to 100 numbers. Make a call. During the call, you can add to the call any contact from your Bitrix from leads or contacts. You can add call center user from user list in your Bitrix, or you can connect to that call somebody by type any number and connect to that call. Also, you can pass the call, mute the call, or transfer call to somebody else. So I move that company deal to here to that stage, go to the deals and refresh. Right. So a robot created another deal on another stage, and I believe the same responsible person. Okay, and in the same manner, you can create CRM items as contact, company, lead, deal, estimate, invoice, Bitrix signed document, but also you can create SPA, which I mentioned in my previous videos. And the same story, if we will use another robot, which is get CRM item information. For example, you created some deal in support group, and then you want to get that name of that deal inside to the first deal, original. For that, you need to go to the other, then you need to get CRM item information. So you created that deal, second deal, and need to get information from that deal and save in previous deal. Okay, so go to the deal and extract name of that deal, but you need to point here exactly to that deal you're referring to. In that case, you need to put condition, which is ID equal to, and here you need to go to the automation rule, create CRM item ID and new CRM item ID. So in that condition, you saying that an item type deal, go to a deal with this ID and extract name. Right, so extract it. Then click here, manage workflows, modify item. You need to go here, fields, and create second deal name with string type field. And then you need to change behalf of responsible, select field, select deal name. Then go to automation rule and get CRM item name. Right, save. Let's try. Okay, come here and refresh, and voila, second company client support. So we can go to now one, company B support. If we go in here, we got two deals, company B support, company C client support, and both second deal name is here. Okay, good. Now go to the next robots, and what we have here, have and delete CRM item. So quite the same, you need to refer to which CRM item you want to delete. Okay, so deal and custom ID. You can create a deal, second deal, then write his ID to that deal, like internal database. Then in some stage delete this item, and here I can delete CRM item. Okay, and here what I can do is that, so create CRM item, get item information, but in that case I will use CRM item ID. Okay, so I'm getting CRM item ID, deal, filter. Yes, and we need also to have a condition. Our condition is ID equal to, and automation rule, create CRM item, new CRM item ID. Okay, so extract the new CRM item ID, and we selected CRM item ID to have a record. Then in modify item, we just need to, let's write it to the string field, second deal name, same field which we used previously. And automation rule, get CRM ID. Right. Okay, let's test, and yeah, refresh. So it's 506, second deal name ID, and if we go and refresh here, we can see the 506 as well. Good. Now delete CRM item, and which CRM item we need to delete? It's which is deal CRM item ID. We need delete CRM immediately. Parallel doesn't matter. We need to use deal field, which is second deal name. Right. Now test, go back. Aha, deleted. Done. So we gave exactly ID which we need to delete, and it was deleted. Okay, go to the other automation rules. What we have here, other pause, suspend the item for a specific number of days until customer coming back. I already mentioned that, but I can mention that again. So if, for example, I will put it in that stage, create another deal, so I can rename that stage pause the deal. Okay. Also in parallel, immediately doesn't matter, wait for 1 day. So input from customer. Input means incoming message from WhatsApp, incoming SMS, which is used to for 2 SMS, or incoming email. So can 1 day to small amount, 1 week.
This is so much better than that.
Wait for reply from client for 1 week. Okay, and quite simple. If I'm over here, going inside, we have waiting item from here, waiting for 1 week for input from any customer. If customer will reply or doing something. Okay, so if customer reply, it will be automatically executed. Right, automation rule, and go here and plan activity. All right, quite the same. Condition, date, and so on. You need to create some item like call to client, okay, and ask for his feedback, okay, and responsible person, and voila, save. And again, quite simple. If you move to that stage, you go inside, you got planned activity, call to client admin and ask for his feedback. So deadline is Saturday, February, and you will have notification 15 minutes before.
Shut up and take my money.
Okay, that's it for now. The other robots I will explain on my next videos. And again, so if you like that video, click like, and you have questions about that video, please you ask your questions in comments under that video.